One of the most popular ways of using Inkwise AI is to write legal documents. Today, we are going to demonstrate how to write a legal complaint by combining human writing and AI writing together on the same page, literally. Let us first look at our legal case. In New York City, it is said that the most common relationship is the tenant-landlord relationship. In our demo case, we are helping a tenant navigate a legal dispute against his landlord. The dispute involves a gas shutoff, a leaking roof, a broken laundry unit, an unhealthy smoking environment, and mold. All the bad things, yet common misfortunes a tenant could experience in the great city of New York. For our demo, we made a very simple lease agreement. With these, let us write. I will first pick a legal complaint template to start my writing. Note that the template here is for demonstration purposes only. If you are a law firm, you probably have existing preferred templates for legal complaints. You can upload your own templates and start from there. Using templates is completely optional. We can always write from scratch. Note that I can enter a document-level prompt here to give AI a broad context and a style. I can also write in many different languages, and we will pick English. Now I can upload my supporting documents as references to help me write this complaint. I will import the lease agreement, the client interview summary, and the Inkwise Mock Legal Services profile document. Note that Inkwise does not provide legal services. This is for demo purposes only. In this complaint, let us first update the legal firm's contact information using the built-in RAG AI prompter window. By using the AI prompter window, I am asking AI to pull information from the reference document to populate the relevant information. Now I can make some manual adjustments directly on the page after inserting AI-generated content. Inkwise AI is not a chatbot-based solution. Instead of letting AI write for us, Inkwise believes it is best to write with AI. This is why we provide an online editor that is fully functional, just like your Word document, so you can freely edit and write anything you want, with or without AI's help. You can use Inkwise to write purely based on the reference documents. Alternatively, when not selecting any references in the AI prompter window, Inkwise AI works just like a public LLM, such as ChatGPT or Anthropic. To best demonstrate how AI writing and human writing can be combined together on the same page, let us write this complaint from scratch. I am deleting all the template information here. Now, just like what a normal attorney would do, I will start writing this complaint manually. Note that when I start writing, Inkwise AI often predicts what the author wants to write and provides me with suggestions. If it is not satisfactory, I don't need to use it and can simply ignore it. As I write more, the prediction will become more and more accurate. Later, I will leverage such predictive writing to fast-track my progress. As you can probably tell, I combine my writing and AI writing seamlessly during this process. I often accept AI-generated content, but later delete the unwanted portions and make it my own. This is the ideal AI writing. Let AI help, but preserve human dominance. We are now ready to write our first legal cause of action. Let's use the AI prompter window again to retrieve relevant facts from the lease agreement. We will do the same for the term of the lease and the rent amount. I am again writing it on my own now to state the important legal affirmations. Inkwise AI helps me again to finish my sentences quickly. I am jumping back to AI again to ask AI to describe the gas shutoff situation our plaintiff experienced. After accepting the AI content, now it is my turn to quickly edit it to make it more professional and fit for this legal complaint. I just realized AI didn't specifically call the parties plaintiff and defendant. Now I should correct that throughout the document by updating the document guidance. Let's move on to the water damage resulting from the leaking roof. Here again, after accepting AI content, I am re-editing and making the writing my own. With this, we can address the delayed repair of the laundry facility. Again, I will re-edit after AI's content generation based on the referenced client interview summary. As a professional writing platform, each piece of AI-generated content can be traced back to specific parts of the source documents via the citation bubbles shown. We can address the smoking situation now. We will perform the same exercise. It is completely up to you how much you want to leverage AI on Inkwise. I prefer to let AI do fact-based task writing. I always want to write paragraphs with judgment and opinions on my own. Inkwise's freestyle design allows each writer to make their own choice freely. We can now write the mold situation. This is getting to the end of our first cause of action. Again, you can tell I am checking the source documents using the evidence inspector before I trust the AI-generated content. This is to ensure AI is writing accurately based on relevant information. Time to do my own writing again. As you can tell, throughout my own writing process, Inkwise predictive writing helps me a lot along the way. I can also use Inkwise at any moment to do a public knowledge search, just like I am doing now. Look, it even correctly predicts which law I should mention here. I am now ready for the second cause of action. Again, I'm using AI to help me brainstorm my writing logic. It can help me think, in addition to helping me write. With this, I think I know what to do next. Note that I am writing this complaint completely from scratch. In real life, law firms already have existing templates and can make this process 10 times faster. Here, I can recycle an earlier sentence I used before. I am back to my manual legal writing to complete the negligence claim elements. Again, Inkwise predictive writing helps me fast-track my manual writing as well. At any moment in my writing, I can use Inkwise AI to pull relevant information to assist my memory. This is done directly in line with the existing writing. I don't have to go to a separate chat window or a different browser tab, and you can see how fast I can turn the AI-generated content into my own writing by re-editing it and improving it. The whole Inkwise AI experience is so good because we are professional writers ourselves who hands-on designed, developed, and built this platform. I am now ready to create our third cause of action. For your convenience, whenever you pull up the AI prompter window after selecting some text, our AI already knows what text you selected. Here, AI analyzed how the case can support the selected claim, which is unjust enrichment. Inkwise AI's predictive writing once again helps me write the remainder of the paragraph. Now, we are at the final cause of action. Inkwise AI can help you easily rewrite any portion of the sentences or paragraphs that you are not satisfied with. Now we have finished all of the causes of action. We can select the entire complaint so far and ask AI to help me write the prayer for relief. If I am not satisfied with AI's response, I can add additional instructions again in the same prompt window. After accepting the AI-generated content, I can now re-edit it and make it more professional. Let's do some final touch-ups throughout the complaint. As a professional writing solution, Inkwise AI allows you to manage versions so you can keep track of changes you made in a document like ours. Now we have completed the entire complaint in Inkwise. At the end, we can export the writing to PDF or Word.